When I think about software-defined storage, you got to go right down to the basics. First of all, it's software. It needs to be software that can be downloaded, that can run on any device you have, that can work across platforms, including things like the new hyper-converged flash arrays, existing storage, as well as what other storage may come in the future. So the whole idea of software-defined is that hardware becomes more commoditized and it continues to evolve and to innovate. Software gives you the ability to, if you would, create the configurations to design the architecture the way you want. That's really what software defined is all about. So that's where it starts. When you get the software also, it's interesting because people say hardware independent, but hardware independent is sort of this abstract marketing thing. What does it mean for DataCore? When you get our licenses, they're perpetual and they're portable. What does that mean? That means you can move it from one device to another. So you got a server, you need to refresh it, move it to another one. That's a pricing model that also lasts for the future. So it really is independence in the purest form. It's not this stuff that the marketing guys are selling you where they go, it's hardware independent, but you're locked into a particular device and you have to buy a particular model. The other thing is, does it work with all the different hypervisors out there? Does it work with physical platforms? Does it work with Unix systems, etc.? Can it work with fiber channel, not just iSCSI? I mean, I'm tired of all these folks that say, fiber channel isn't here, it's dead. All this other kind of stuff that's out in the marketplace. Go into these real life shops. You're going to see a mix of all kinds of things. And even if you don't have it today, watch out. You may be merging with another company that has it. So make sure you've got a software platform that can work across it. And then the last point, universal services. These services can't run just on one device. It has to run across all of it. Why? Because you got people you got to train, and you got to have these services to work across all of it. Make it simple for people, make it easy, automate these processes, and let the software do the hard work. Our software can automate and move the workloads from one application to another. It can utilize flash when it needs to, DRAM, storage, disk drives. Let the software do that hard part. Why are we trying to do that? So with all that in place, get a software solution and get one that's proven. With DataCore, it's been proven at over 10,000 customer sites around the world. We've been doing it for 17 years. Check us out.